Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I greatly appreciate it. I have my Boxy by Ipsy to share with you for October 2024. Real fast, we'll get past some channel information. If you have not subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join the Unbox It family. It means the world to me. And make sure you like this video, and if you want to hit the notification bell, this way you'll be notified of any videos that I post. It is completely free for you to subscribe. I do have channel memberships if anyone is interested. That's down in my description box. And my birthday card club. If anybody is interested in joining, follow the instructions in my description box. I would love to send you a birthday card for your birthday month. The only thing you need to include in your email to me, obviously, is your real name if it's different than YouTube, your mailing address, and what month you were born. I don't need date, year, I don't need any of that information, but I would love for more people to join. Doesn't matter if you're international or in the States. I buy stamps and mail out cards. The international ones I mail a little bit sooner because I do know it takes longer than in the US for you to get them, but nevertheless, I do mail out cards to everyone. I've mailed to India, Australia, New Zealand, the Netherlands, France. I think I have somebody in Germany, Canada, and obviously the US. But let's see what's in my Boxy by Ipsy. This is $30. Is it $30? It's got to be more than that. Is it $34? Not sure what the price of this is. $34. Why am I confused? Why am I confused? I'm saying 30, but I'm almost, it might be 30. Is it 34 total? No, I think it's 30 some dollars a month. I don't know the amount now. Now I'm confused. You get 5 full-size beauty products. We get to customize 3 out of the 5 items in our box. They offer Beauty Boost each and every month. It's $15 plus you do pay tax and things like that. And you get to choose an additional product out of maybe 5 to 7 items. They automatically will pick one for you. If that's not what you want, there's a check mark in the box. Just uncheck it, and then everything else will highlight so that you can choose something that you want if you don't want what they chose for you. So they pick 2, you pick 3, and then if you do the boost, you choose the boost if that's what you decide to do. But they will automatically choose the Beauty Boost. So just be mindful of that. You can just uncheck it and choose what you want. You pay $1.99 shipping and handling. I do pay tax in my state. And here is the theme, Beauty Nightmare. Right here you get a pamphlet in the icon box and BoxyCharm. You get more like a newspaper in the icon, which next month is icon. I have no clue who the icon influencer is going to be, and I don't want to know if you know. No spoilers. I don't like spoilers, so that's that. So we'll move that to the side. So I'll give you a quick little sneak peek here of what's in my box. So in my box, we'll do Beauty Boost first. They chose the Murad product for me, and I did keep it because I love Murad. I have a ton of Murad products and some that I use every single day. And this is the overnight treatment, which I don't think I have. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Oops. I'm not sure I have. This one I might. If I do, I'll share it. Very nice. I love, love, love Murad as a brand. Swear by them. Oh, there's the other product. There's one. Here we have from Kevin Aquan. Unforgettable lipstick, and I have, oh gosh, I don't know what shade that is, but I can tell you because I keep a magnifier handy. Older eyes, doesn't matter if you're old or not, your eyes are the go quick. This is Thelmadora cream. I don't know right here. Show you that. I'm sorry, forgot to show you that. I don't think I have a Kevin Aquan lipstick. I have plenty of mascaras and other products. So let's see, that comes off. Well, that's a pretty shade right there. kind of matches my... I was trying to find something that would go with my shirt today, and that might go a little bit better than just throw on like a pinky orange. But that's beautiful. Happy to have it. I know I chose that. Murad, they chose it, but I, you know, was fine with it. I'm trying to think what else. I know I chose this, the kimchi set and bake powder. Very nice product. We're sealed, so let's unseal. Beautiful packaging right here. I'm not going to open that up. I don't need the paper. And this is what it looks like. Oops. And this should be just a translucent, right? Oh, lavender. That's right. I got lavender powder. You get a puff in here. Nice little puff. That's a nice one. And then here's the protector. But this is the lavender. I have pink. I have translucent. I have, you know, like skin tone powders. But I didn't have the lavender. So I thought, let's give that a shot. So that, I'm trying to think if, I don't know. I honestly don't remember what I chose. I might have chosen this too from Tarte, the blush tape, and this should be in the pink. It is. I did get one of my PR box and gave it to my niece this past weekend, so she's happy to give that a try. Right here, and it is the, you squeeze it down into the puff, and then you a couple little dabs, blend it in, blend it with your fingers or a brush, however you see fit. So now I have one, so that's good. So there's 4 awesome products right there. From Ciate London, we have Dewy Skin Glass Glow Skin Tint. I definitely think this was one they chose. I'm trying to think if there's a shade on here. 030. Oh, it says it right on the top there. I never know if this stuff is going to match. I mean, I know they try to match you the best they can. So that's what, oops, that's what this looks like. So let's see. It says a seal. Let's take the seal off. And we'll put that on my hand too. Let's just give this a little bit and see. So I put a little bit on my hand there. I love a good like tinted moisturizer, all that good stuff. So let's see if I blend that in. It might have been a lot. Just let me get that sticker off. That might have been a lot. I'm just going to rub it in, and I have the lipstick in the way. So I blended that in. I don't think that's horrible. It has like a nice, clean, fresh scent. I'm just going to leave that in the box. It's definitely got a glow to it. I mean, you can see the difference. Dry, nothing on it, and this has the glow. That's nice. I like that. I'm not always into the glow. Every once in a while, though, you don't mind it. And then I do believe they chose this for me. This is from Clara's New York. Advanced Serum plus Vitamin E. And this is Vitamin C. 94% natural. And this is a brightening corrector. And this minimizes enlarged pores. Corrects uneven skin tone. Always happy to try stuff like this. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Clara's. Or did I? I think I might have some. So I don't think it's Clara's, though. So here it is, dark bottle, usually vitamin C, I think, is in like a darker brown glass bottle. So I'm happy to try that. Oops, that too. And that's everything that's in my beauty box for the month. I like everything. I think this is definitely a win-win. Love some skincare right there. Skincare. We'll give this a shot. I really do like that. I mean, that is really looking nice on my hand. It's not tacky. It like goes on liquid, but almost feels like kind of powdery once it's on. Happy to try the blush. Love that. It's a perfect shade, and I'm excited to give this a try. I know I tried their translucent powder in the past. Not bad. I do remember that it wasn't bad. Was it my favorite? Maybe not, but not bad at all. But I am excited because it's lavender. So that's probably the only reason I chose it. If it would have been translucent, I might have picked something else. I might have then chose the Tula product. Who knows what I would have picked, but I wanted to give the lavender a chance because a lot of times like the pinks and the lavenders are great for under your eyes, just to brighten your eyes up. And my eyes are starting to look very tired. I am very tired. You know, I get a decent amount of sleep at night, and I just hate when I wake up in the morning and I feel more tired than I did when I went to bed. I'm like, no, but you know, I'm up early every day, long day before I go back to bed. So today I'm a little extra tired, so I might take me a little like late morning little nap, lay on the couch or lay in bed or something like that for like an hour, just to take the edge off to get me through the rest of the day. But I'm like to the point of tired where I'm starting to get a headache. And I don't generally get headaches. I mean, I could probably count on one hand in my lifetime how many headaches I've had. I just don't get them, but I'm starting to feel one. So when my eyes are tired and then I'm wearing, you know, doing this kind of stuff, I was on my computer earlier doing comments and things like that, that will make my eyes extra tired. And sometimes then I will get a headache from that. But let me know your thoughts on my box. I think a win. I wasn't sure about this month because I was like, you know, you see some of the choices and... But once I think I see everything all together, then good. I am really super excited to try this right here. So, might change my lipstick and put the shade on from Kevin Aquan. I do like that, more of a fall, like brownish undertone right there. So that will go better with my shirt. I picked a shirt, long sleeve shirt today. I have jeans on. A little chilly today. I think we're only going to, overnight we were in the 40s, I do think, and maybe low 50s, 60s today. So, you know, I can do jeans and a long sleeve shirt this way, you know, I'm not cold, but I love being able to open the windows and let some nice crisp cool air come in. Always a great sign of fall, and fall is my favorite. So let me know your thoughts on this. Do you get BoxyCharm? You know, let me know what you're getting. I would love to know. I appreciate every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you made it to this point of the video. And stay tuned. I had a surprise giveaway in a previous video towards the end. Trying to think how many entries I had. 10 or 12 people that made it before I closed the giveaway, that watched the video to the very end. So, you know, it's going to be key to watch the entire thing because you're never going to know at what point I'm going to pop a giveaway in and share some products. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. And before I end this video, I'm going to pop up who the winner is from my Ipsy calendar surprise giveaway. And we'll take care of that and then end the video. So stay tuned for that. Congratulations, Jenna. You are the winner of the mystery box of skincare giveaway that I did in my Ipsy calendar. In the description box of this video is the email address to contact me to claim your box. Thank you so much for everyone who emailed. There was a cutoff. I did not lead on to how long I was going to leave the giveaway open for. That was intentional. I left it open for, I think, over 48 hours. So I thought that was enough time for people to get in and watch the video. So keep an eye out. I might be doing a lot more of these and popping them in a video somewhere. And in order to claim your gift that I'm going to be giving away, it will be based on an email. So thank you, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.